responsible.
Good morning, everyone. How are you all doing? कैसे हो सभी लोग? NFP डे क्या प्लान किया है NFP का? अपन तो कुछ ऐसे ही बैठे थे, सूखे सूखे. Have any planning in NFP? I'm just waiting for data to come out because market at all-time high, near all-time high, and it's coming maybe sixth time, right? Retest all-time high. इस बार ब्रेकआउट होगा तो तगड़ा होगा, बहुत तगड़ा होगा. Hey man, how are you man? Hungry? कैसे हो मिस्टर हंग्री? Guys, we'll do the analysis. Monthly had a bottom week in first 4 days, right? ब्रो बाय कर लो 100 पिप्स के एसएल रख के 0.1 या 0.2 लॉट के साथ. अरे नहीं ब्रो, अभी तो कुछ नहीं करूँगा. yesterday I almost did 4% account gain. Okay, so doing nothing. Had one trade in a London session and after ADP data come I took a entry buy. सभी एंट्री बायज ही थी मेरे. और आजकल ना सेल के सेटअप नहीं दिख रहे मेरे को गोल्ड के अंदर तो. Oh and yeah, as per the price action we shifted to the monthly. We had a beautiful range that got breakout in March, right? So we had this range, we got breakout over here, right? And market is just pushing up, right? And this monthly candle is have 24 days left to closing this monthly, and it's looking like if market wants to come down any one at time, it should break the high and come back, right, to retest maybe this resistance, right? यहाँ तक नीचे आने के लिए मार्केट को बहुत तगड़ा लिक्विडिटी चाहिए from this area, right? So man, if any one at time, if market wants to come down, it needs to break all time high again means we had a fourth time retest in you can see on 4 hour time frame. We got a retest of almost fourth time, right? We had a retest over here, and fifth time. This is the sixth time. Let's see, it's now going to break or reject, but I just want that breakout after NFP news, right? If after NFP, maybe we will discuss some on data, right? We had a huge number difference from previous to this forecast, right? So most probably if dollar is data come negative, dollar will go down, right? And you will see that gold will go up, but can't say that कि ऐसा कुछ हो सकता है क्योंकि डाटा जब बहुत पॉजिटिव आया, इससे भी ज़्यादा नंबर आएंगे तो फिर मोस्ट प्रोबेबली gold can fall like this one. Next level of resistance may be, इसको retest करने आ सकता है. But after NFP, before NFP, if anything can happen, कुछ नहीं होगा भाई. Before NFP मैं कुछ भी नहीं करने वाला हूँ, right? इस लंदन सेशन में एक 10-20 पिप्स के कुछ ट्रेड मिलते हैं तो that will be enter with a smaller lot size, right? On monthly we had this setup of breakout, क्योंकि हर बार देखो मार्केट जब ब्रेकआउट देता है किसी रेंज का ऑन मंथली टाइम फ्रेम, इट्स गिव्स मोर देन हर बार नहीं, लास्ट टाइम इसने रैली दिया था 6,300 पिप्स की रैली दी थी इसने, राइट? तो मोस्ट प्रोबेबली अभी इस रेंज का ब्रेकआउट हुआ है तो फ्रॉम हियर इट शुड गोज लाइक ऑलमोस्ट need to tap to 700 again next 2000 pips, but that is the long shot, man. I'm not sitting in a long shot. We'll plan only a scalp trade. Let's do the weekly also. We had one resistance, no, we had one range, right? हर बार मार्केट कैसे ऐसे मूव करता है ना, आफ्टर वन इम्पल्सिव वेव, right? After one impulsive wave, right, market just consolidate, grab the liquid from another side and goes again, right? And again consolidation. ऐसे मूव करता है, नहीं तो zigzag, right? So same like that. If you want to see on line chart, this is the impulsive wave. After impulsive wave, it will correct or it will consolidate like this and grab the liquid from one side to move another side, right? ऐसे हो रहा है. and this is called I think this is the range, right? This is the impulsive wave, this is the liquidity, again impulsive wave, right? And जो ये liquidity रहता है, ये most probably कोई बड़े event में ऐसे spike आता है, right? So we can see over here also, after one impulsive wave, this is the impulsive wave, after that we had correction or consolidation, right? But here we don't see any liquidity grab from this area, right? ठीक है, कभी कभी मार्केट कभी बुलिश रहता है तो मोमेंटम के साथ चला जाता है ऊपर, बट I just want to see liquidity from this area. But on weekly it got a breakout and candle closed above the range, above this recent range, right? On weekly, right? So yeah, and we had a support at this area at 2282 and resistance over here, right? And जब भी मार्केट किसी रेजिस्टेंस को ब्रेक करता है, देखो this is the one of the resistance over here, right? So if market wants to break this resistance, 2 मिनट के लिए ना यहाँ का मत देखो, right? Though for 2 minutes, let's assume that if market wants to break this resistance, इसको क्या करना है, यहाँ से रैली दी है इसने, from here is giving rally and at resistance is rejected 1 2 3 4 time. Market didn't close about 2445, right? So yeah man, and कोई भी resistance के पास market रुकता है, market sustain होता है, and I can say that market make one smaller range at any resistance, and after it got breakout and candle close, that is called valid breakout for me. So we had the same scenario over here. Market had a consolidation at this resistance, right? And we had a closing over here, right? So after closing about 2454, again market is ranging in a smaller time frame. You can see on daily there is market is in a range between all-time high to 2470, right? So any given time, if market wants to break this resistance, यहाँ कुछ रुकना पड़ेगा इसको. मे बी आज पूरा दिन ये कंसोलिडेट करें, और मोस्ट प्रोबेबली एनएमपी के दिन हमको दिखता है कि एनएमपी का पूरा दिन मार्केट एक रेंज में ही रहता है, राइट? किसी एक साइड का फेक ब्रेकआउट मार के मार्केट उसका रिवर्सल मारता है, राइट? मोस्ट प्रोबेबली ऐसे होता है, राइट? सो ऑन डेली वी विल मार्क दिस 2473 एरिया, 2473. Okay, and obviously I will mark all time high at 2530, right? And this is the one of the zone, yeah. And yesterday candle closed a bullish after this bottom week. On day before yesterday we had a bottom week and retest also 2473, and also looking like grab the liquidity, smaller liquidity from bottom. It's break the previous daily low, right? You can see over here it's break the previous daily low. See this candle, it's break previous daily low, right? And grab the order from here and it's spike up in London session, right? So yeah, and previous daily closed bullish also, and we have to just steady high at 2523. That also will mark. We'll go to the 4 hour, see there is any range or not. And at 2506 we break the resistance, smaller minor level पे, मतलब smaller time frame पे. It's not smaller, it's a 4 hour time frame. We had a resistance at this area and it got breakout, right? It got breakout and 4 hour closed above this most recent range and got a retest over here. ठीक है, मार्केट ने क्या क्या प्रिंट किया है वो देख रहे हैं हम. अभी आगे क्या प्रिंट कर सकते, दैट वी कैन प्रिडिक्ट, राइट? मार्केट क्लोज्ड above here and got a retest, and this retest more I think is in NY session. NY session yesterday, NY session we got a retest at 2506, and again man, it's in a range, right? So I think this 4 hour opened with no bottom wick, and 1 hour closed up bullish also. This is the recent support at 2513. Yeah, man, this is it. I just want to see the what it's print left hand side is the wick, and you can see same similar scenario over here. यहाँ जो दिख रहा है वो सेम चीज यहाँ प्रिंट हो सकता है, ऐसा दिख रहा है, because this wick, you can see this wick, you can compare with this wick, right? This retest the high, I'm going to retest the high, right? There is no volume. I think वॉल्यूम रहेगा तो फिर एंट्री मारेंगे, बाय का सेटअप दिखता है तो फिर 130 कंपल्स एंट्री अबाउट 2521. This 4 hour don't have bottom wick, but it's came to flip, but it's not flip. देख रहे हो, this candle one given out time, it's looking like this, right? Twenty-three pips stop. What about dollar? Dollar is bleeding, man. BTC also making one pattern over here, the flag and pole pattern, I think. Created one support at 2518. It's breaking. If it is break previous candle high, much pip is this range? And 9 to 10. I'm waiting for this 30 close, man. Waiting for closing of this 30. बाय कर लो 100 पिप्स का एसएल, मतलब 100 पिप्स का एसएल क्या रहेगा? Oh man, 100 pips SL के लिए नहीं जाऊंगा मैं. If I will be entering a buy, my SL should be 73 pip SL, this range low or this 4 hour candle low, right? Sometimes you see that in a NOI session will get trade in a both side, right? If you enter in a sale, you'll be profitable. If you enter in a buy, also will be profitable, because sometimes market gives mixed data, right? So if there is the ADP non-farm news is coming positive, then after that, after 15 minutes, there is the news called unemployment claims, and it's come negative, and market will like volatile, like it's a market is moving around this range, right? Range is more than 200 pips. Always market moves 200, at least averagely market moves 200 pips. Above here we see that there is a selling zone above here, right? But if market gives market breaks with volume, man, at all-time high, I tried 2 times to buy at all-time high, and that was in a drawdown. One trade got drawdown in 400 pips, but that I managed. That is a different thing. But this time I wait for NFP news. After if NFP goes to break directly like this, if goes directly like this, I do nothing. I'm not doing anything in NFP news. But if NFP news goes straight away down, right, and like this, and once this candle flip of NFP news, I'll enter in a buy, right? So that bottom week for NFP is just like liquidity, right? And जितना fast ये move करेगा in NFP news होने का after maybe 30 minutes if flip, then only I'll enter in buy, because कितना the speed of moving candle or the speed of flipping that candle is define the volume, right? Define the volume of that buyers, right? How aggressive buyers over there, it defined that. You see over here yesterday, it goes down in a buying zone. It was market was in a buying zone, and after it came straight away up. And see this move, it's very fast, right? This move, I just see that kitna time mein that candle going to flip. I think 4 hour flipped, right? It's looking like flip. This 4 closed a bullish, and yeah man, ये भी एक setup था. After this 4 closed a bullish, we can do the impulse entry to capture this range this week. It's more than 20 pips. Yeah, I just want to see the 30, how it's going to close this 30. Okay, now here we plan if this 30 is closing bearish, yeah, it's going to close bearish in next 2 minutes. I just want next 30 open with no top wick, going straight away down, right, like this, to retest this line of 2517, and after this 30 flip, I'll enter in a flip, right? But this 30 should open with no top wick. That is the plan. If this happen in a market, if you see this condition, this structure, you're good to go to enter. If 4 are going to re-break the high, also that will be also valid setup. If 4 are going to re-break the high, well, this wick fill area 16 pips, and overall will be more than 50 pips. We got 30 closed and 30 closed at doji. This 30 should break this low, man. After breaking this low, and once this 30 flip, that also will valid. Let's see, it's going to break this low or not. After breaking this low, I will put the buy stop and break out this around 30-minute candle high. Right. But before that, it should tap this previous candle low, at least tap, and for more, wait for breakout of previous 30 low. And after previous 30 low break, it's going to flip. This 30 going to flip, I will be enter. Yeah, man. Oh, man, I have buy stop in this 30 high. I buy stop at 2520.258. I buy stop. Okay. I think that 4 hour flipped, right? $2520.300. Can this 30 flip, man? If this 30 flip, I want this 30 flip in this 50 minute, in next 50 minute, right? और यहीं सस्टेन हो गया 15 मिनट के बाद, I'll delete my buy stop or making, let's say, rebreaking after making the one range in 5 minute time frame, कुछ ऐसे ऐसे बना के फिर से लो ब्रेक करेगा, वो मेरे को 30 मिनट में भी दिख जाएगा, राइट? 5 क्लोज्ड. And break even point will be this week fill. At that time you will be sitting in a profit of 12 pips. You had a resistance at this area, maybe it's now going to retest this resistance, right? But there is no activate this buy stop next 15 minute in not next 7 minute. I'll delete my buy stop, man. If it is not activate. Okay. And wait for better entry in NY session. Or maybe if this, if this 30 closed back into this range over here, somewhere over here, then next 30 will see that it's going to retest this low, man. Retest this low, right? Man, let's see it can going to flip or not. It should activate in next 4 minutes, man. If it is not activated in next 4 minutes, I'll delete my buy stop. If it's not activated in next 4 minutes. In next 3 minutes. How much this push? 34 pips, man. Let's say it's going to activate. It's alright. Hush. Funded account? No man, real account. I don't use funded account. No need also. Can you activate buy stop? We just, I think, 5, 6, 7, 9 pips away. And $15 closed, alright. 15 closed bearish this bottom week. Let's say my buy stop is still there. I'm not going to delete that. There. Check your spread, man. That buy stop can activate buy your spread also. My spread at my broker is 11. Oh man, I can do like this also. NFP, buy or sell. Oh well. If this 30 going to break this low, I'm going to delete my buy stop because in your time, in 50-minute time frame, it can goes to fill the week, right? And week fill will be like this. Then you see like this, 30-minute will break its own low. And next 7 minutes, if going to close below this most recent support, and this thing we call it the fake breakout. And once this closes back into the range, it can goes to retest this low. Right. All right, man. That's the idea. Oh man, so boring day. And it will be a so interesting day in NY session. Oh man, dang this volume over here. I'm going to delete my buy stop, man. I'm going to delete my buy stop over here. We'll wait for some good setup. July month, sorry, July, September. Right, September started, and in September, is 6th, right? Oh man, September. Trading at 4% again. 4 days, 4%. Targeting daily 1%. 1% a day. Can you make away from 9 to 5 job? I can make away from 9 to 5 job. See, I deleted my buy stuff, and now market going to up to activate. To flip, not activate. Can't say that activate because I deleted. I deleted. Deleted. Oh. Waiting for this 1 hour close. Okay. Whenever close the bearish. More probably, I will wait in Yanmar session, man, for trade. If I don't see any setup in London session, it's better to wait after NFP news, right? And I'm not coming live in NFP because I'll be at different place or doing some work. And yeah, man, I'm not trade NFP news. I'm not trade live NFP news. I will be, if I see any setup after NFP, I'll plan. For trading, I don't need any setup. I just see one phone and one laptop. That's it. You're watching me first time, hit this channel, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, man. Any other pair? You see, when NFP news at that same time, you can say you can trade CAD also, right? CAD. Because there is also one big event in CAD at the same time, right? So you see over here, unemployment rate in CAD, right? So rather than trading gold, you can trade CAD also. CAD USD, CAD JPY, like this. This three folder will define that gold either going to break the high or going to retest the low at 2470 again. Right, 70 over here. And if NFP come down, retest 2500, and once that flip, that will be good, man. If NFP come like this, straight away down, and retest 2506, and once that candle flip, and this will be better. A plus setup for me in the news. I'll be enter on flip, and that I will hold more than 100 pips. I always say that I will hold that trade 100 pips. I will close at 30, 20, 10. That's it, man. Because I see any profit, I move my stop to break even so quickly. Right? So quick, so quick, so quick. Most probably it will make the range right over here. So if it is ranging, then I will wait for it to break out any other side for liquidity, break out from another side. Right? Let's say market plays in this range, right? If market make like this range, we'll wait for any other side to break out like this, goes back into the range. So, and in a range I always see this liquidity के ऊपर एक लाइव स्ट्रीम करेंगे.
brothers on the rise now. Endless celebrations all in my house. Levitating now, I'm super duper fly now. London boy, but DC where I reside now. Put the time in while you always yelling time out. FXROHIT, cause I know I'm coming with it. You were sitting, you were wishing I was handling my business. Now I got the ball like Harry Potter playing Quidditch. Listen to my and see what the next happens in that. Been ahead like an effing ball cap. Man, I came in the game like whoa. Got a couple chains on me cause I like gold. They told me I'm the best and I told them I know. Cause when I'm in your town, every ticket I sold. Yeah, they saying I'm the man. Facts, bro. Lot of haters, tell me where they at though. I'm the new pop, all I do is rap though. Want me on your song, throw a couple stacks, yo. Everybody wanna do the same thing. That's why we ain't on the same page. Do my own thing and I maintain. Flow like water, so I'm going mainstream. I'm going mainstream. Flow like water, so I'm going mainstream. Yeah, I'm going mainstream. Flow like water, so I'm going mainstream. I'm going mainstream. Mainstream. Flow like water, so I'm going mainstream. Yeah. I'm going mainstream. Damn. Flow like water, so I'm going mainstream. Woo. I'm going mainstream. Flow like water, so I'm going mainstream. They saying I'm the man. Facts, bro. Lot of haters, tell me where they at though. I'm the new pop, all I do is rap though. Want me on your song, throw a couple stacks, yo. Everybody wanna do the same thing. That's why we ain't on the same page. Do my own thing and I maintain. Flow like water, so I'm going mainstream. I'm going mainstream. Flow like water, so I'm going mainstream. Yeah, I'm going mainstream. Flow like water, so I'm going mainstream. I'm going mainstream. Mainstream. Flow like water, so I'm going mainstream.
No, there ain't no stopping us. Fly without boarding pass. Couldn't catch me, I be moving fast. Call me a shooting star. Let 'em know who you are. Flying up in a bar. Wish on a star. Time to show 'em who's in charge. Call me a shooting star. Shooting stars.
Didn't even get to cross.
I said I'm moving too far. Get to glass. Looking at a shooting star. Got more than a couple of people going mad. I swear they're rooting hard. Tell them I'd be big in the game like she went and got them breast implants. I said I'm moving too fast. Didn't even get to glance. I'm ready to eat up track like I'm seated in a restaurant. If you had swag like mine, you know it's best to flaunt. We aren't hating because you aren't. Shining like it's neon. Rock like kings of Leon. Shooting stars across the galaxy. Across the galaxy, I shooting. Yeah, shooting. Yeah, shooting. Yeah, shooting shots.
Didn't even get to cross.
I said I'm moving too far. Get to glass.
Take me in small, breathe me in and let me go. Filling the lungs inside you, and the blackened eyes make my way into your mind. Just to know what you knew. Restless every time we start locking eyes. Lost control. It's paradise with honesty, but I'm in the dead of the night. Let the darkness take control. Let the darkness take control. Darkness take control. May the darkness take control. Take me in small, breathe me in and let me go. Sink to your heart to find you. Open up your eyes till you're blinded by the lies, so you can see what you do. Restless every time we start locking eyes. Lost control. It's paradise with honesty.
Okay, guys, see you tomorrow in London session. Not tomorrow, on Monday. In NFP, I said that it's a plan. If NFP goes down, straight down, and once that NFP candle flip in 30 minutes, I'll enter in a buy and going to capture more than 50 pips. That will be the plan in a NY session. Okay. See you tomorrow. See you on Monday. Till the time, bye bye. Take care.
Empty hearts and neon lights. The play of the mind. Gotta get up tonight. Run off my road. And I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone. Just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started out. Get me out of now. To where we started out. Get me out of now. To where we started out. La 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 la. Oh, oh. Get me out of broken hearts and starting fights. Turning truth to lies. Gotta get up, stop wasting time. Yeah, I wanna run off and fly. And I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone. Just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started out. Get me out of now. To where we started out. Get me out of now. To where we started out. Oh no. Open eye, feel the waves cut through me. Hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me. Can make me move. You can make
Lions roaring in the morning sun.